Okay, let's get started. It's IELTS speaking part 1 and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions. You will have to answer. Do you spend a lot of money on buying perfumes?
Yes, I do spend a lot of money on buying perfume for my friends and family because it is a thoughtful gift and it is economical gift. That's why.
Okay. Alright, let's go on. Do you send perfume to others as a gift?
Yes, I send perfumes as a gift for my friends and family because it is a very thoughtful gift and it is very economical and perfume is a very uh,
Okay. On what occasions do you use perfume?
mostly I am all mostly I'm using perfume all day. I'm going university and other events, wedding and all
Okay, you
that.
need to give full answer. You need to use proper sentences. For example, on what occasions do you use perfume? I use perfume in my everyday life, especially whenever I go to university. As you know, we've got summer season going on these days, so I regularly use perfume. Whenever I go to attend a wedding or any party, then I use some special perfumes which are more expensive than my normal perfumes. So to answer your question, I use perfumes every day. Something like that. Okay, so try to elaborate and it'll be fine. Now let's go on. Why do some people buy expensive perfumes?
Some people like perfumes. That's why people buying expensive perfumes and people like fragrances and essence because that's why.
Okay, now this answer is again short, so you need to elaborate more and at the end you need to conclude and try to use a variety of words in your answer, okay? Now, one last question. Have you ever received perfume as a gift?
Yes, I have received perfume as a gift from my sister, and because she knows I like perfumes and I like fragrances, that's why she sent me a gift as a perfume.
All right, overall good, but your answers are short. You need to add some more and use a variety of words which are related to the topic, okay? Now, let's go on. It's your turn. Do you think the roads in your city need improvement?
Yes, I think the roads in my city needs improvement. Although government took many initiative to rebuild the roads, and they took many initiatives to they are build many bridges. They are build many bridges and zebra crossings and flyover bridges. But although there are many areas in my city, they are very congested, very narrow lines. There are no signals, and people feel wait hours for
Okay,
traffic.
your answer is all mingled. So many ideas bombarded together for one simple question, and that is, do you think roads in your city need improvement?
Yes.
You say, well, the major roads in my cities, they don't need any improvement because the maintenance work is always going on. So these roads are really good in condition. On the other hand, in rural areas, there are some roads which are broken and such type of roads need improve, something like that, okay? Answer should be clear.
Okay.
Just follow one idea and speak on that. Now let's go on. What is the condition of the roads in your city like?
In some areas, the roads condition is very well.
The road condition is very
The
well.
road condition is very well because government took many initiative to rebuild the roads. They put traffic signals. There are flyovers. They build more bridges to hassle-free
You're coming
traffic.
back to the same thing. Build more bridges, flyovers and all that. In every answer, you're trying to fit that. That doesn't happen. And by the way, don't go on with one idea in every answer. In every answer, you need to come up with new ideas. If you repeat your ideas, you're repeating vocabulary. That will bring you low band score, okay? Now let's go on. Are the roads and streets in the area where you live busy?
Yeah, in my where I live, roads are normally not very much busy, but in the peak hours when there are school timings and when there are school timings, it's very busy.
Okay, how do people cross the road in your city?
My city, people cross the roads through zebra crossing and traffic signals.
That's a very short answer, okay? How do people cross the road? Well, people usually cross the roads through zebra crossings. We do have zebra crossings and there are the traffic lights, so people wait for that. Sometimes some people cross the road without looking here and there, and such type of road crossings cause accidents. So if you expand it to this level, you can get better band score. Okay, come up with more ideas. Do not repeat your ideas and answer in 5 to 6 seconds. Okay, thank you so much.